Hi, today I'll be showing you how to open a Google Business profile. First, go to Google and search for Google Business. At the top of the search results, you'll see a link that says Get Listed on Google or Google Business Profile. Click on that link. Once the web page loads, click on Manage Now. Now you'll need to enter your business name. For this example, I'll use Toggy's World. After entering the name, click Continue. Next, you have to choose the type of business. If you only sell online, select Online Retail. If you have a physical store, select Local Store. If you offer services without a storefront, select Service Business. For this tutorial, I'll choose Local Store to demonstrate how to add a business address. Now, enter your business category. Start typing a keyword related to your business, and Google will suggest relevant categories. For this example, I'll choose Jewelry Store. After selecting the category, click Next. Now enter your business address. Since my location is in Bangladesh, I'll type my street address accordingly. Once all details are filled in, click Next. After that, enter your phone number and website URL, if you have one. For now, I'll skip the website option. After reviewing the details, check the box to continue. To verify your business, you need to confirm your phone number. Google will send a verification code via SMS. Your phone number won't be visible to customers, so it's safe to proceed. Simply enter your phone number, receive the code, and enter it to complete verification. For now, I won't demonstrate this step, but it's straightforward. Just enter your number and verify it through the message. Now, enter your business hours. If your store is open Monday to Wednesday, select those days and mark them as open. If your business operates 24 hours, select that option. For this example, I'll mark Friday as closed and set 24-hour operation for other days. Then, click Next. Next, enter your business description. This should be a short summary of your services. For now, I'll skip this step. Now, upload some photos of your business. Google provides sample images, but you should upload real pictures of your store or online shop. Simply drag and drop the images into the upload area. For now, I'll skip this step, but you should add images to make your profile look professional. If you want to run ads on Google, you'll need to set up an ad account and enter payment details. You can choose to add this later. To create a custom domain name or business email, select Try Google Workspace. If your business already has a domain, enter it in the Yes, I have a domain section. For now, I'll skip this step. Your business profile setup is almost complete. However, your listing will only be visible after verification. Click Continue to proceed to the verification page. Your business, Toggy's World, is now on Google, but customers cannot see it until it's verified. Click Get Verified and enter your phone number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and confirm it. Once verified, your page will be visible on Google. And that's it. That's how you can open a Google Business profile. Thank you.